and eventually it'll say you're live. So yeah, you're live now. So, but the problem is, so you're live, but the problem is it's just your screen. It doesn't look fancy or anything. So what you want to do is, if you want to add the chat, for example, then you click on this, you click pop out chat, and you find this link, copy it, close the chat because you don't need it anymore now you've got the link. Add this, click browser, click OK. Control V the URL into here. Custom CSS, it's very interesting. I'll talk about it in more detail. Now it says live chat is unavailable because it's private. So I'll set it to public just for now. Public. Save. And now it says public. So you go to here, properties, and you click refresh cache or current page. So now you have the chat. Now this is really good. So if you want to do like the fancy chat font thingy-majiggy that all those streamers do, then you have to find something that can generate a custom CSS for you. It's sort of like the way you customize it. So you click up. So you go back to what your browser is, and you click and you search for. So you search for the one I use is chatv2.septipus.com. I'll put that link in the description. It says chatv 2.0 style generator. So you click on that, and then it says this. So this is where you can customize it. You can change the font, the outline, you can change the size, you can change the animation, and down here at the bottom is your CSS. So if you've already done all the customizing and you have the CSS that you like, I'll just stick with the default. You double click it, or no, you can just do Control A. It's better. Copy it. Go back to OBS, right click on this, click on properties, and then go to custom CSS, highlight the whole thing, and click Control V. And then now it won't show anything, but if I go to here and then I say something like and then wait for this to update, then it will show it here. Look, it says here. Because the CSS makes it look fancy and stuff now. So if I type something else, then it will also show up here. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. There it is. So now you have your fancy new chat. But say, what if you want to add a sub count? Oh, so that's easy. So you go back to here. You go back to your search engine. And then search for something, any sub counter, it can be anything. So you just search up sub count. Sub count, yeah, sub count. The one I use is socialblade.com. You can use anything, but I use socialblade.com. So you go to the search bar, enter your username, and then you go, and for Social Blade it's in a separate page, so you click live subscribe account, and then it will show your subscribe account, and it updates every single second. So now you have your page. You want to copy the link, and then go back to here, add another browser source, and then click Control V so that it will show your browser. So it will do the URL, the URL that you had. And then it will show this weird thing. Now so that you don't have to keep on changing it because it reloads and it's all the way off to the side, you click on properties and then you just change it to 1080 by 720. And you click OK, and now it will be the exact size. Now the problem is you can't just have this weird rectangle. So this is where filters come in. You right click on this, click on filters, click plus to add the filter. And the one we're looking for right now is crop/pad. So you click on that, you can specify the name, I'll just keep it as it is. So now you have this. So you can change how much it crops on either side. So you can just measure it. So I'll just go through some trial and error. 300, 400, 500 is too much. 450, 460. Yeah, 460 seems like enough. So I'm assuming this is the same for the other one. Nope, I have to do it a little bit more. Now, if you have more digits, then you're gonna have to change this. You're gonna have to change this. So for the top, how about 500? Nope, way too much. Someone just commented saying, "Oh, yeah, I know I spammed some random stuff in there, but it was for the sake of the tutorial. Don't blame me." So I'm assuming top, bottom is the same. Nope, way too much. There we go, 290. So now you have your sub count, but you can't just have this random number here. That just randomly says 121. Like, what does 121 mean? So you can label this. That's easy. So you go to your sources, click on text, GDI plus T, and now you have your text. So you go to this your text and you type in subs. You can change the color, you can change the background color. I'll set the background color to black. Click OK, and then size it up with your sub counts. So now you have it. Good. But the problem is it's a different color. So you go to filters, add color correction, and then it's not here by default. So you click select color, pick screen color, and then click on whatever the background is. Don't click on the text. So you want it to be, oh dear, so I'll have to go through a bit of the process here. So you add another color correction because they can be stacked on top of each other. Let's put the contrast down so it doesn't interfere. So you click select color again, pick screen color, click on this, so that it sets it all the way down to be black. You can also like make it, so I'll just keep it like a slight gray, a tad gray. So we'll add another color correction, select color, pick screen color, and this time the text, so that it becomes really bright. Oh dear. Okay, if that doesn't work for you, because it's just like that sometimes. So now you have green screen in here. That's another thing. So click Chrome key, click OK. No, that's not what I wanted. Chrome key, OK. So now you'll see here it says green, blue, magenta, but this is white. There's nothing there. So click select color, pick screen color, like I said before. Click on the background and click OK. And then now it's going to remove the whole thing. So you want to put the similarity down, just that tad bit. Just move this down as well. You know, you can change the settings a bit. You can change the settings up. Oh dear, something's happened. Pick screen color. There, E. Oh dear, that is not good. Oh, there we go. So we're just gonna have to, oh, I see. Chroma key is different from color key. So you click color key, custom color, select colors. Okay, and then now it's going to be quite strange. So you're gonna have to set similarity up so that it only shows this color, and turn down the smoothness so it's sharp. Close, and then add a color correction so that I can change this white, this black to be white. So brightness up, contrast up, so that it makes it even more white as we can. And if that doesn't work, then you can just add another one because they can stack, like I said before. There we go. Now it's white. So let's just add another background. So what we can do is add, and then just a color source, because it will add a color. Oh dear, it's all white. Let's make it dark, because there's a window for that. And then you can go here, and then make it go down, make the layer go down. So now you have your sub count. You have your sub count, you have your chat, and you're pretty much ready to go. You can stream, you can flex on your friends, like, look, hey, I can stream, that's cool. Anyway, that's it for this tutorial. I'm sorry that it was quite a long tutorial. I'm sorry I wasn't able to keep it concise. Probably sometime in the future I'll remake this, but this is pretty good for now. Anyway, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope I taught you something. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.